we have decided to engage ourselves in these issues of migration and refugees because we can see that it is a growing phenomenon which has to be dealt with both from the perspective of society at large but also from the unions as a role to play. So we're dealing with the issue at home in Sweden, but we also take an approach on the international perspective. Well, one of the goals of our Swedish participation in this project is to achieve more decent conditions of the people that do migrate or flee to these countries we're working with, Algeria, Tunisia and Lebanon right now. And we know that they are taking a hugely larger responsibility for the migration crisis that's going on right now, if we compare this with the whole of the European Union actually. Which means there is of course a stress on public services, and there is a risk that this can create a dynamic of xenophobia and different conflict issues. And we have to deal with this at home in the Swedish labor union movement, but also in a wider international perspective. And we need to have a constructive role and how to help the unions in these countries that are in the front line of the migration and refugee crisis. So some of the aspects we're looking at in this project is the right for people, for migrants to have the opportunity to work, for the children to be able to go to schools, even such things as access to clean water. Another issue, of course, in this project is to sensitize people within the unions about the issues and the conditions of these migrants.